Welcome to CDG Inspection, your trusted partner in testing and certification services worldwide. We specialize in N13373 to 2018 impact testing for glazed furniture, ensuring quality and safety. This standard guarantees the durability of glass furniture under real-world conditions. Our tests ensure your glass furniture withstands everyday impacts, keeping users safe. Experience precision and reliability with our cutting-edge laboratory technology. Our experts prepare every sample with unmatched attention to detail. We recreate real-life scenarios to test the strength of glass under pressure. Detailed reporting ensures your products meet global safety standards. We cater to manufacturers, designers, and industries that prioritize safety and quality. Trusted by clients worldwide, we deliver accurate results on time, every time. Partnering for a greener future, we help improve product durability and lifecycle. Our services span the globe, ensuring expertise wherever you are. Visit www.cdginspection.com and inquire with ease about our testing services. Our dedicated team is here to guide you at every step of the process. CDG Inspection, precision, reliability, excellence. Contact us today.